Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we've got a handy guide for all you Samsung TV users out there. We'll be covering the simple steps on how to restart or reboot your Samsung TV. Whether you're experiencing technical issues or just want to give your TV a quick refresh, we've got you covered. So, let's dive right in. Now, restarting or rebooting your Samsung TV may seem like a daunting task, but trust me, it's a breeze once you know the steps. First things first, grab your TV remote and let's get started. Step 1. Navigate to the home screen. The first step is to ensure you're on the home screen of your Samsung TV. Press the home button on your remote to make sure you're at the main menu. Step 2. Settings. Once you're on the home screen, scroll down and locate the settings option. It usually looks like a gear or cogwheel icon. Highlight it and press the enter button on your remote. Step 3. System. In the settings menu, navigate to the system option. This is where you'll find various settings related to your TV's functionality. Step 4. Expert settings. Now, select expert settings. This is where you'll find the option to restart or reboot your Samsung TV. Step 5. Reset. Within the expert settings, look for the reset option. Depending on your model, it might be labeled as reset or self-diagnosis. Select it to proceed. Step 6. Restart or reboot. Here, you'll be presented with the option to either restart or reboot your TV. If you just want a quick refresh, go ahead and select restart. If you're troubleshooting more serious issues, you can choose reboot for a more comprehensive reset. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. Restarting or rebooting your Samsung TV is as simple as navigating through a few menus. Remember, this process might vary slightly depending on your TV model, so make sure to consult your user manual for specific instructions. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. If you have any questions, or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover, drop it in the comments below. Until next time, stay tuned, stay tech savvy, and happy watching.